Hi everyone, Josh May from Riccar Vacuums. We want to talk about Carpet and Rug Institute and their certification and what it means to be certified by Carpet and Rug Institute. And first of all, we applaud you. We're grateful that you're doing research on your vacuum cleaners, whether it's Consumer Reports or Google reviews or some website where you're reading about different vacuum cleaners. One of the things we like at Riccar is the Carpet and Rug Institute. They do some really thorough testing. They test soil removal, how much dirt you can dig out of your carpet. They test filtration and the ability to contain it in the system. And they also test the retention of your carpet, how it looks afterwards and after using the vacuum a lot on that carpet, how well it's going to be retained. So we're happy to announce at Riccar that these 4 vacuums right here, the R30D, the Anniversary Edition, Tandem Air, the R40P, and the R10P, all have gold certification. We also have silver on the R25P and bronze on our cordless Riccar vacuum cleaner. So that's great news. We have gold, the highest level of certification on a lot of our products, meaning that if you really want to take care and maintain your carpet, as well as have good filtration, we've got a product for you. If you want to know more about CRI, check out their website and you can research how they do their testing. You can even see which vacuums they've tested, how they scored, and hopefully find the right vacuum for you.